I did a project on editing, and I'm going to show you what I learned and my mastery of tech. So I only use these two tutorials here on how to blend clips and how to use wave wrap or warp. Everything else I kind of just learned on the way. So I'm gonna throw this video into here, and I'll change sequence setting. Alright, so now this has an audio track, and I can mute this. I can solo it so that this is the only thing that plays, and I can voiceover record. So I could click this microphone and start talking, and it'll, do its thing. And I'll record some parts. I can change the opacity of the clips. I could go like 50. That'll do that. And I could change the blend mode right here. Over here where I go, if I go to graphics, I believe, it'll load. I've got text and stuff I could throw over it, and these are just templates, but I could create my own version. And I could throw these over like this, drag them right there, and and it'll load up, and then I just put in the text I want, and it'll appear. Which is pretty cool. I can add new tracks, so if I come over here and I right click, add track, and I'll add an extra one. So before there were only 3, now there's 4. If we go to effects, there's a lot of different effects here. So right now what I used was wave warp. I can find this, and I can just throw this into here, and now it should have a wave warp. Yep, there it is. And I could do other things like that. This is also how you do the audio. You can change the decibels here, and how low or how high it is. Pretty basic stuff. I could go into editing once again, and I could change filters on it and stuff. So make a different color, that stuff. And blend mode, that this changes like the hue and saturation of it, and I could edit that, and that just reverts it. And then yeah, that's about it.